Master Blends, right?
Yeah, this Master Blends.
He got his own YouTube channel.
What's going on, y'all? Welcome to the Master Blends Grilling and Cooking channel. My name is Trey, and today we're gonna be making smoked teriyaki chicken thighs. Ha! Stay tuned. All right, y'all, let's go ahead and get started on some of the seasonings. We're gonna start off with this sweet pepper honey chicken. Also gonna be using this 2 Gringos fine meat rub. Gonna be using this usual all-purpose blend fire and smoke. And just gonna use a little bit of teriyaki sauce. So let's go ahead and season. All right, you wanna go ahead and take them, just flip them over and do the other side. All right, this is what it looks like after you put your seasoning on. You want to put these up in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes while your smoker is heating up. So let's go ahead and place these in the refrigerator. I'll meet you guys outside. All right, it's been about 35 minutes. It's time to put these boneless chicken thighs on the grill. Just place them right there in the middle. Just like so, we're gonna let these things cook for 30 minutes and we're gonna flip them over. Catch you in a minute. All right, you guys, it's been 30 minutes. It's time to flip them over. This is what we're looking like at the 30-minute mark. We're gonna leave them on here for another 30, and then it's gonna be time to coat that sauce on them. Catch you in a minute. All right, y'all, it's been over an hour. It's time to pull these things out. We're gonna put them in an aluminum pan. We're gonna go ahead and pour that sauce right on top. Catch you inside. All right, we got them in the pan. It's time to go ahead and put that teriyaki sauce on there. So I'm not trying to cover this whole pan, just trying to coat it. That's good enough right there. You want to go ahead and just toss these up. Just like that, we're just gonna cover up just a little bit more, just cover the bottom of the pan. All right, I'm gonna cover this up with some aluminum foil. We're gonna put it back on the smoker. All right, it's been about 15 minutes. It's time to take this chicken out. We're gonna put it on the plate. Catch you in a sec. Bam, there you have it. That smoked teriyaki boneless chicken thighs. Take a look at that right there. Man, it don't get no easier than this right there, man. Your mouth should be watering right now. But all you got to do is use these ingredients right here. Very simple. You know, feel free to mix it up. Whatever you like, just make sure you get that teriyaki sauce and you'll be in the game. So I appreciate you guys for watching this video. Make sure you hit that like button, share, subscribe. Once again, my name is Trey. It's time to eat.